Good morning, good morning. So this video is going to be about how to copy trade, or as they call it, group trade inside of Tradovate with your Apex accounts. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. It's actually super easy, but there's a few things you do need to be aware of. So I get questions about this every day. I think this would be a really helpful video. So basically what you're going to start with is log into your Tradovate account. Okay, so here's my Tradovate account. I'm logged in. All right. And just for starters, guys, you can see I have the 3 Apex accounts right here. And the first thing you got to do before you do anything is you got to come up here to the top right, click this guy, go to add-ons, and make sure you have group trade activated. Okay, I already have mine activated, but you got to have that activated first. All right. Then, one other thing. These are the 5 things you want to see: dist to liquid only, dist drawdown, drawdown auto, dollar total P&L, and dollar open. And you can do that by editing your columns over here. I'm not going to go into what all those are, but those are the 5 you got to have. It's not necessary to group trading, but these are the 5 you want to have on your screen when you're trading. Okay, it's going to help you out a lot. Now, how to group trade. So the way you do this is you come up here and you're going to go to manage groups. All right. And what you're going to do is we're going to create a fresh group right now. Okay. And I'm just going to call this C3, which stands for Calvin 3. And then I'm going to drag all 3 of these over. Okay. All 3. Save. And now I'm going to go click up here and I'm going to go to C3. Now you'll see C3 is selected. Okay. And what makes this a little different than other copy trading systems, usually what you have is like a master account, and you take a trade in the master account and then it copies it to your copy accounts, right? That's not the case here. Think of this as literally a group. So think like, in this case, I have 3 accounts. Pretend you have 3 kids, right? And you come to the table and you put 3 apples down on the table. Each kid is going to get an apple. So when you're putting in your order entry, you're going to want to put in 3. Okay. So if I put in 3 in this case and I press buy the market, each account is going to get 1. Okay. So I'm going to show you how that works. So I'm just going to go ahead and right now show you guys. So I'm going to buy market 3.
Order filled.
And you can see now that each account gets 1 contract. And I can verify this by coming over to Tradovate, and you can see this account has 1, this account has 1, and this account has 1. And I'll actually just run over here to NQ so you can see. Okay, so all accounts have 1. Now, let's say you wanted to open 3 contracts in each. Okay, well, then you're going to have to do a little bit of math. So you have to actually buy 9. You feel me? If I buy 9 more, 3 more are going to go into each account. All right. Or in this case, you could just buy 6, right? Because, well, 2 would drop in each account. I already have 1 in each. So yeah, you gotta understand that. It's the same thing with closing. If I have 3 open, see, you can see the 3 right here. If I have 3 open and I want to get out of all of them, I got to sell 3. So keep that in mind. It's a little different. All right. Now, I don't suggest doing this. If I come up here to C3 and I manage groups, you can see that what I can actually do is I can modify the number in each one. Now, what is that doing? Well, in this case, let's say I do 2 here, right? And I bring 4 apples to the table. Now this account's going to get 2 apples, and this account's going to get 1, and this account's going to get 1. Okay. So just keep that in mind. To keep things easy, I just leave it 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. We're going to save that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Okay. Very, very easy. Like I said, if I wanted to add a few more contracts here, I could add 6 more, right? I could just say, like, let's say I wanted to add 2 more, right? To each account. I could buy market 6.
Order filled.
And now I have 9, right? 3 in each account. So pretty easy overall. Takes some getting used to. You cannot take a trade in here and expect it to copy into Tradovate. Okay. All the trading has to be done right here in the Tradovate app. All right, which is a little annoying. I wish you could, the whole beautiful part about Tradovate is it links to TradingView. So it'd be nice if I could take trades in here and it would work in the group, but it doesn't work that way. You've got to do it all here in Tradovate. You can just mark it in, mark it out. If you want to do advanced orders, there's a trading button right here. Okay, and you can do your limit, stop limit, OCOs, all that kind of stuff. So hope this video helped. And I know what you all are saying. Oh, he was losing on the trade. No, it did come back up. I won, so don't be hating. All right, 300 per account. Y'all got worried there for a second. But yeah, that's how it works. Make sure to follow us. We drop new videos every week. And yeah, we have amazing mentorship groups. I go live pretty often doing Apex streams. So hope to see you there and have a blessed week.